Meet kale, the delicious little superfood which is becoming so popular that in the US it even has its own day. But why is it so popular? What are its benefits? Stay tuned and you'll have a bowl of kale in your hand by the end of the video. Number 1. What is it? A member of the cabbage family in the subgroup of Brassica oleracea, kale plants have green or purple leaves, and the central leaves do not form a head. Kale originated in the Eastern Mediterranean and Asia Minor, where it was cultivated for food around 2000 BC. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is the number 1 cause of arthritis, heart disease, and a number of autoimmune diseases. Kale may potentially prevent and even reverse these illnesses. Research suggests vitamin K dramatically reduces inflammatory markers in the blood and has also shown that kale contains 45 different flavonoids with a variety of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Number 3. Helps protect vision. Kale contributes a significant amount of antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients may help prevent serious eye conditions, such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 4. A good source of minerals. Kale is rich in calcium and better still, it's low in oxalic acid. Therefore, all that calcium can be absorbed almost entirely. Kale contains more iron per calorie than red meat. Also, it's a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and manganese. Number 5. Kale fights cancer. Kale has been shown to contain a range of compounds that are believed to protect our bodies from forming cancerous cells. It is also a very good source of the antioxidants associated with cancer prevention and treatment benefits. Number 6. The downside. High potassium foods such as cooked kale should be consumed in moderation when taking beta blockers. Kale's high source of vitamin K could interfere with the activity of blood thinners. If you have hypothyroidism, you should consume kale with caution to avoid interfering with thyroid function. Number 7. High in fiber. Many Americans don't eat enough fiber, and this deficiency is linked to heart disease, digestive disorders and cancer. The fiber in kale helps manage blood sugar and will keep you feeling fuller for a longer period of time. Number 8. How to eat kale. To make the most of kale's benefits, it is recommended to eat it raw. Try smoothies or a salad, previously seasoning and massaging the leaves to soften them a little. Also, you can steam kale to maintain its nutritional properties. Boiling and sautéing is also an option. How do you eat kale? Tell us below.